Okay, so now we're opening another new pair of sheets. And then since it's brand new, we're going to always check the label to see what materials it's made out of, what type of heat, if you're going to iron it, what type of heat it will take, if it's going to be medium or hot. Let's see. So on this particular pair of sheets, we are going to wash in warm water and with other light colors such as this. And when we iron it, we're going to iron it on a medium heat, so it doesn't, there's a little bit of ribbon along the edge here. So that may be why they want you to use the medium heat, so it doesn't damage that. A little bit more decorative than just a plain pair of sheets. And because of the size of the sheet, you're going to want to fold it in half. Just makes it easier to fit on the ironing board. That's the only reason to do this.